Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Rearrange the following word to make a sentence. The children are playing in the park. The teacher is teaching in the class. The rose is a beautiful flower. My dog is brown in color. The glass is full of milk. Today is his birthday. My mother went to the market. The sky is full of stars. I like to read books. The pencil is sharp. The winter season is very cold. We should drink water daily. The mango is very sweet. Trees have green leaves. I like to ride my bicycle. We go to school every day. The rabbit runs fast. The sun is shining bright. My father is a doctor. Birds fly in the sky. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.